Hello everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm back today with another exciting video. And today we're going to talk about dark circles and eye bags underneath the eyes. So did you know that baking soda and a glass of hot water mixed together can actually get rid of your dark circles and eye bag underneath the eyes? So today I'm going to try this method. I don't actually have eye bags or dark circle underneath my eyes, but for my viewers, I'm going to try this mixture underneath my eyes, and then we can actually see the result here. So I already have the mixture prepared, and this is 1 glass of hot water. Mix it 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So, and I have my cotton pad here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and soak my cotton pad into the water, the hot water with the baking soda. And I'm going to just slightly squeeze out. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this mixture underneath my eye with the cotton pad. So you're going to apply the mixture underneath the eyes here. Do not allow the mixture to get into the eye. For the next eye, I'm going to do the same thing. Soak the mixture in the cotton pad here. And then I'm going to apply it to underneath the other eye. Put some more here. So now the mixture is underneath just the eye, because we're not doing the face actually. We're just doing underneath the eye here. And you must not allow the mixture to get into the eye. If it does get into the eye, flush with water quickly. So I'm going to let this stay for 10 to 15 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to rinse with water, rinse off any additional residue that is left underneath the eye from the baking soda. And then we rinse and then pat dry our face. And after that, we can also apply our moisturizer. So see you in a bit. So I'm back. I already washed the mixture off underneath my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and pat dry my face. It's very important not to stretch your skin. It's always pat dry. So this procedure can be done. This mixture for best result, can be used every day. And then you will see the result from your dark circles or your eye bag underneath your eye. So for me, this is how it is. Look, I don't really have a problem, but I just wanted to try this method out for my viewers. Anyway, I want to go ahead and check out my blog for this for ingredients for this mixture at www.baggerbeautytips.de. So until next time. Oh, and don't forget, looking forward for your feedback. I will share my video on Facebook, and also please share and like my video, and also press subscribe when you go onto my blog, and please subscribe so you can get upcoming videos. So until next time for another exciting video, bye.